So we're going to attempt to cast a D20 dice because someone said my normal 6-sided dice was too easy. Creating a 20-part mould for a D20 dice is not something that I'm keen on. So instead I thought I'd go down more the investment casting idea. So instead what I've done is printed these tiny little thin couple of gram moulds that have all the details, and I have printed separately a holder for them. So the concept might be you can do a shell mould, you place them in here, they're going to be disposable, the little thin ones. You just break them off like peeling or cracking open an M&M or a Smartie if you're Australian, and hopefully we've got a dice on the inside. So I've placed them in there, close my mould up, make sure it looks alright from the top. Seems to be fine. We'll clamp that down and see how we go. There we go. Okay, let's start shipping it off. Again, it's got to be something better than using this. Alright, let me cut the rest off camera and do a bit of sanding. We'll see what we've got. Don't know if you can pick it up all that well, but it came out great. So this is in pewter. There's 20 of them, well, 20 faces. I know. Doesn't really roll low, it sort of more goes thunk. But there you go.